horn is a horn. A horn is a horn. Oh God.
Welcome back. Master Chef Hassan is back in the kitchen. Well, what I'm doing today is I'm gonna make a curry chicken and quinoa with a nice salad. So here's what you'll need, plus some curry powder, some garlic, quinoa's coming up, and coconut oil. Got the pan. I got my Bob Marley music playing because I'm doing curry chicken. Dear to my heart. You know I'm part Jamaican, part Trinidad, part Lebanese, and all good looking.
Sometimes I dream that he is me.
I got my quinoa. This is the pack that I'm using, a tricolor quinoa. Just about 2 cups. I just want to mix this around a little bit. For that amount, I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. I'm just gonna add 1 chicken bouillon, and you already saw the garlic that I added. I got my onions, got my peppers, got some carrots, got my curry chicken. This curry chicken, man, you know where this curry chicken come from? You know this curry chicken come from Jamaica, man. You don't know. More fire, mango for chow.
You know I be from Jamaica, man. Not a mercy.
What part of Jamaica?
Right near the beach. Boy!
So me already seasoned with some garlic, some salt, some pepper, some cayenne.
All we have
Ooh!
to do
Chef curry with the pot boy.
With the shot, been cooking with the sauce, chef curry with the pot, boy.
Blocker. Organic, fresh coconut oil. That's gonna give it a great flavor. Didn't shoot the deputy. Got my peppers here. I'm gonna add my onions.
Sometimes I dream that he is me.
Time to add the curry. Curry with the pot boy. Ooh, I wish you could smell things through the phone. Go. Now you just want to let the chicken cook on the outside a little bit. So that cooked down. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add my carrots to it also. Too much salt when you're doing the chicken, because you're gonna add this.
is it delicious.
Some flour and water, equal parts.
Little advice from the master.
So a lot of people have been wanting to know what's my secret to how I've been losing so much weight. Is some sliced lemon, some water, some cucumber, and I usually add ginger to it. And I want you guys to check out this thing. It's called intermittent fasting, and that's one of the great things that I do. So you eat for 8 hours of the day and you fast for 16 hours. You can check it out and do some more research.
Are you surprised at the rapid development you're making?
No.
Looking good looking.
What's cooking good looking? My favorite time of the meal.
When
I see you and you see me, means we're eating good. And we're about to eat really good right now. Magic. Hey, there she is. Hey, little mama. On it. Woo! And it's a superfood. You can see with the salads, I have a large portion of salad. About 2/3 of my plate is salad. Pieces of chicken just cooked beautiful. The curry. Thanks to my mom for giving me the curry. Boom. I'm plating this up. Try the other part. Wow.
Fire!
Definitely want to try out this meal. Leave a comment what you want to see next. I'm dying for you guys to leave a comment just so I can make it for you. So please, just take the time, leave a comment, and you'll see me make it. Never trust a skinny chef, but my food is great. I'm just cooking a little bit different, cooking healthier.
And give a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
From that little piece of chicken, that was...
Oh Lord. Tell them. I want this. Oh God.